how to turn on save posted photo to your phone automatically on your Instagram. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. Go first and you open your Instagram. After this, when your Instagram is open and you go down and you open your profile, then you go to this three line at the top of the screen and click. Then you go to settings and click again, and then guys go to account, and then you go down and go to original posts and click, and then go to this second option, save posted photo, and you go to the right and click here to turn on this option like that, and that's it, it's done with you. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and if you have any question